Hello friends, from the last week we are moving towards the features of OOPS. So that's why our today's topic is also the important feature of OOPS concept, which is abstraction and interface. So guys, basically abstraction is the process which has we hide our internal implementation and show only the agency information at the end user, and we can consider as the when we create a class which is a abstract name before that class, then it is considered as a abstract class, or we can say method is also have a abstract keyword, then we call it as a abstract method. So after that, there are some rules which we implement the abstract method in our program. That was the name of our class or method should be abstract, and after that it contains abstract or non-abstract methods also in that class. And another one which is a we cannot instantiated abstract method. Instantiated, it means we cannot create an object of that particular abstract method. And after that, the we can it means that why it is necessary in Java programming languages. So basically abstraction is the most important, because if we don't use it, then if we don't private take a private of internal implementation of our program, then anyone can have changed that codes, or it means it is harmful for our security purpose. So that's why we are using abstraction in Java. Abstraction provides lots of security features. That means no one can change our at the actual implementation of code. For example, we have when we see a ATM machine, then we give they give us only option that you can withdraw or check your current balance or enter your pin. Such a functionality they provide us, but we don't have to understand that what is the implement in the backend. After that, when we click on the backend, what process are doing in that internal implementation, so we cannot guess it, because if they provide us that situation, then it is a very simple to handle all that, or it makes no sense of that user. After that, our next point, which is the interface. So interface is also we can say it is a blueprint of class, that can in interface all the methods are abstract. So basically abstract and interface is correlated things, and we can say we use the interface, and we can achieve the abstraction and multiple inheritance using the interface. So basically interface we implement as a interface keyword using that class. After that, interface is the multiple inheritance. In that scenario, I will explain that what is exactly in doing in multiple inheritance. So basically when we take a move according to the class, then we are using class A, and after that class B. But after that, when we create class C and we are extending that class, not problem when the method of that class is different, but assume that class A has also the print method, and class B another has a print method also. So that's why when we extend it in the C, then C in that C class, there is a conflict between that classes, that which classes property should C get. So it is very confused in that scenario, because both classes have the same name. So that's why we cannot run our program using a class when multiple inheritance. That's why Java does not support multiple inheritance by the according to the class. But using the interface we can achieve that, because when we create a both class, then using interface we can implements that class. In that inheritance we are using the extends keywords, because using the extends keywords we are getting the properties of our parent class to the child class. But after that, in interface we are implementing that properties which has already created by the interface class. We are already created that both interface class, and if still is it is has both same name, or it is not matter, because interface has always has contain abstract methods. After that, we can implement that both methods in our Class C, we can extend that classes because both classes are interface. So interface provide that such a extraordinary properties. So that's why it is most important. And using interface, we have some beneficial feature also. So that's all about the abstraction and interfaces. Thank you.